Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This product retails for $35. I decided it was finally time to try out a trending product from Glow Recipe. This product has been released for a very long time, and I remember when it was first launched, but I never tried it out. I've been seeing this product all over my For You page, and I've been seeing so many people talking about it. I've seen mixed reviews on it, so I will be interested to see what I personally noticed with this product. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They do have fragrance in this product, so just be mindful of that before purchasing. The highlighted ingredients in this product include watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. The big things I'll be looking for with this product mainly include what does it do for my skin? Do I feel like it is worth it? Because I feel like some of the ingredients in here are ingredients I find in a lot of other skincare products, and also just how does it perform on my skin? As for anything else, I will be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I've only used this product once before this. So far, it's been giving an instant glow to the skin. This product has a great hydrating benefit to it. You can see here it starts off as a pretty thick consistency, but then when it goes into the skin, it just gives a nice glow. Obviously, this product does have fragrance in it, and it smells pretty much like the rest of their watermelon collection, so if you're sensitive to that, then definitely avoid it. I just take a couple of pumps of it. And I mean, you can't deny that glow is amazing. I love the finish that it gives my skin, but I am interested to see if this is all it does. This is fine. I do want it to do a little bit of something. I do want it to do something for my skin, and I am hoping it does something for my skin. Some people have said this is just a radiant product, and if it was a little bit more affordable, I'd be like, okay, but I do want to see some benefits with this before I will be able to justify the price point. I'm hoping to see some overall improvement in either my skin appearance or my skin hydration. I want it to do something more than just a physical glow, if that makes sense, because you are paying a pretty good price point for it. I'm going to continue using it, see what else I notice, and then I'll check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I do feel like I am going to need a little bit more time with this product before I can really testify for the brightening benefits, but in the first couple of weeks of using it, I really didn't see any notable long-term benefits with the overall brightness of my skin. I feel like this product is just a primer-based product that is supposed to give a glow or hydration, but this product does have fragrance in it, and I feel like this product is mainly just a luxury product that is not necessary in a skincare routine. Now, I may change my opinion on that as I continue using it. I will be posting updates with short form content. As of right now, I really didn't see any notable difference with my skin that promoted brightening or a smaller appearance of pores. It's just a product that gave a glowy base, but once that faded, it really did nothing to the skin. I know of a product that I like so much better than this product just because of the amazing ingredients it has in it, which is the Experiment Super Saturated Serum. I feel like that one almost gave more of a glowy finish to the skin, and it helps my overall skin hydration while also promoting brighter and healthier skin. That product was also so much better for my skin barrier in my opinion, and it is a little bit more affordable than this product, but even if it was the same price, I still would recommend that one over this one. I've seen some people saying this product is just to give you an instant glow, and I feel like that is mainly what it does. I would much rather go for a product that does a little bit more than this product. I was just not the biggest fan of it. It did give a great hydrated and glowy finish to the skin, but other than that, I didn't notice any benefits with it that would justify the price point. It's not the worst option, it's just not something that I personally have seen results with, at least so far. As for right now, I would much rather go with the Experiment product rather than this one if you are able to tolerate those ingredients. I don't feel like it is the best way to spend your money, and that is why I would recommend the Experiment product over this one. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.